What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I thought there was something in my back seat. I just got done grocery shopping, and now I am at the Dairy Queen, guys. Am I about to order? Yeah, here we go. Ooh, they have it. They have it! Yes, okay. Hi, can I have a small frosted animal cookie blizzard, please? That's all. Thanks. Guys, the frosted animal cookie, animal cracker cookie. God, that was so hard to say. The frosted animal cracker cookie blizzard. Oh my God. Guys, if you guys remember those, you know, those were bomb. You know, they even had the white ones. They had a mix of like pink and white, but I only see pink in the picture here, but that's okay. I'm so excited to try this. I love those frosted animal crackers. Thank you. You too, thanks. Okay, so I just got a small. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Get out of the way. Let's go, here we go. All right. Use them what? All right. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's pink. It's got like little, I'm assuming those are sprinkles, but it's got the cookies all blended up in it. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It tastes just like it. Whoa, that's nuts. Oh my God. It's like it's like a cross between a sugar cookie and birthday cake. Because you got that crunchy sugar cookie, but that like birthday cake flavor, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh, and the little tiny sprinkles are like little balls, like beads. Thank you, Dairy Queen, for coming out with this blizzard, especially during this quarantine, because wow. Look, there's a cookie in there. Unbelievable. This brings me back to my childhood. And you know what else is making a comeback from my childhood? I don't know if you guys remember him, but Dunkaroos. Dunkaroos are coming back. It's supposed to be this summer. Hopefully. Cross your fingers that's something they don't cancel. So, freaking Dunkaroos, guys. Oh my God, you used to have to get them at Sam's Club in like the bulk packs. Man. What about, you guys remember those? They're like granola bars, but they're called Kudos. And they came like in you could get them at Sam's Club in a variety pack, and came with like chocolate chip, M&M, There was a peanut butter one. I don't remember what other kinds there were, but I don't know if you guys remember or know what those are. If you do, comment down below. Guys, this is ridiculous. Oh my God. Wow. Like, wow. These are like 10 times better than regular animal crackers, you know, the frosted ones. Whoa. It's almost like a crunchy Pop-Tart with no filling. I remember a few videos back, I was just pulling out of the Dairy Queen before I turned the camera on, because I was looking for this, and they didn't have it yet. And I was like, no! But then I was on Facebook, and I saw someone was posting about it. I was like, oh my God. So I even got on their menu. I went online and got on their menu. It was on their menu. I was like, yes! So I went to the grocery store, ran over to the Dairy Queen. Instant happiness. Okay, pop quiz. Besides chocolate, can you guess what my second favorite sweet treat is? The answer is ice cream. I freaking love ice cream, like with a passion. I don't know what it is about ice cream, but I just like cold things in general. Like when I go and have like coffee, I like iced coffee, like cold brew. I like it cold. Like iced tea, love it. Ice cream, man. Even like frozen yogurt. I even put Pop-Tarts in the freezer, guys. You can put Pop-Tarts in the freezer. Oh my gosh, it's like kind of like when you put Girl Scout cookies in the freezer. Amazing. And if you haven't done either of those, get on board. Put some Thin Mints in the freezer. Oh my God. Changes the whole thing. It's just insane, man. Guys. Hands down, probably my favorite Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I can't even. That is a really good. Brings back memories to from my childhood, from like when I was in preschool and kindergarten, first grade maybe even. Getting those crackers were so delicious. Oh my gosh. And I remember as a kid, we never really got them in our house. Maybe a few times we used to have them. But I remember kids in school used to bring them in all the time. Like the parents would send them in for like birthday parties and stuff. Oh my God. But the fact that they put it in a Blizzard, oh my gosh. And it's really good. So I recommend go to the Dairy Queen. They actually have a whole bunch of new ones. It said the Summer Blizzard Collection, I think. I don't know, or the Summer Blizzard menu, possibly. I could be wrong. But I saw like a raspberry chocolate something, maybe. But they have a whole bunch. I think there were maybe 6 of them, and this one was included. So go to the Dairy Queen. Go to your nearest Dairy Queen today and get a Blizzard. Sorry, I'm really hyped up. I had coffee earlier, and it's like, oh, insane. And nothing like adding more sugar to it, right? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on your little bell icon so you know when I upload new videos. I'm gonna finish eating this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.